Agartala city center. You can see behind me, route has been blocked. This route is connecting from city center Agartala till Botala. This route has been totally blocked by all the test teachers, and the reason is because we have come to learn that yesterday our Madam late Rumi Devarma has expired after consuming poison. Because due to mental depression, we are here at Agartala city center's incident demonstration. By today, it is already we are on the day 35. But even then, there is no administration and no government body have approached us. So that is why a few minutes back we have gone to GB hospital to bring the dead body of our late Rumi Devarma. But the police procession has opposed us. They have said that without the higher authority permission, we are unable to send the dead body here at Agartala city center to pay the last rite to our late Rumi Devarma madam. So that is the reason here behind me you can see so many teachers have already blocked the road, and in the last 10 days we have already lost 3 teachers. Yesterday we have lost our late Rumi madam Devarma from Khwai, and today morning also Manoharan Jamatia we have already lost. He also have expired due to extreme stroke, and couple of days back we have lost another teacher Uttam Tripura from Sivai Jala district. So it is very disheartening and very heartbreaking to see all such teachers who have expired due to extreme tension, since the job is not being stable and state government is not coming forward to save the livelihood of all these 10,300 test teachers. So our sit-in demonstration is going to continue for indefinite period. By today we are already on day 35. So behind me, unless the dead body from GB hospital of our late Rumi Devarma madam reach the Agartala city center, we are on the road, blocking the road. Unless the dead body comes here at Agartala city center to give us the opportunity to pay the last rite, we are going to remain on the ground. Thank you.